Hey, what's up guys? The Fiery Flame here, and welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be playing Whack Your Boss. Now, in the last video of Whack Your Boss, I did pretty good, and I'm gonna be playing Whack Your Boss again, and I am going to be making lots more videos of this in the future. So let's get right into it. Let's see what's gonna happen. And here's my crazy boss. The heck? So I killed my boss again. Now let's hire my cleaner. And there comes my cleaner. Now let's do the drawer now. Yup, he has. I hope he gets arrested too. Yup, he did. Alright. Oh. Ew. Keep doing it, and you'll get arrested. He's gonna get arrested eventually. Eventually, he will get arrested eventually. What are we going? Which one are we gonna use next? And there goes his head. Okay, let's hire up my cleaner again. Uh-oh, it's the crazy boss again. Let's take his pencil from him. I killed my boss. I took my pencil from my boss. I took my boss's pencil from him and killed him with it. Hire up my cleaner again, please. No, wrong. Oh, what's he gonna do with that? Drown him, please. No, don't. Yeah, he's gonna drown him to death. He's gonna be like, There goes my boss. I don't feel bad for my boss, but at the same time I do. Alright, let's hire up my cleaner again. My poor boss is dead. Rest in peace. Uh-oh, here comes my crazy boss again. What's he gonna do now? Oh! Uh-oh, he's playing Pac-Man. No, dude, no, quit playing video games. Alright, let's hire my cleaner again. He was playing video games. Don't play video games in the middle of your job. Oh. What are you gonna do to him now? Leave him alone, dude. Stop, dude. Stop. Dude, stop. You're killing your boss, dude. What? Have you lost your mind? Alright, here comes my boss again. This time we're gonna do the coffee cup. Sorry guys, I said it wrong. Hey, Hey boss, I wasn't playing video games. Let's do the scissors. What are you gonna, let's see what he does with the scissors again. Oh. My poor boss. Ew, he's putting on the bloody headphones. Gross. Alright, let's hire up my cleaner. Thank you, cleaner. I don't need them bloody headphones on. Ew. What's he gonna do with the stapler? Oh, ow, ouch, that hurts. Oh, that hurts real bad. Okay, let's hire up the cleaner again. Kill him, please. Okay. He's gonna have you arrested if you don't stop. I can't believe what he's doing to him. Why are you hurting your boss? Sorry, dude, I don't mean to. Yes, you do. Alright, let's hire up my cleaner again. My boss is making me bored of him. Get the wall. There goes one of the other workers, or just a random customer lady running away from all this. There goes all that blood. Dude, you just killed your boss again, dude. Now you're gonna have to call his wife. Oh, I'm gonna call his wife. Okay, what's his wife's number? Hello, is this my boss's wife? Yeah, it's your boss's wife. Yeah, I just killed my boss, so can I live with you? Of course you can. Okay, thanks, bye. Measuring. Let's see what he's gonna do with that. Oh my gosh, my boss tried talking, but he couldn't. What are those? Anyways. Dude, what are those? Can somebody explain to me what those are? Alright, let's see what he's gonna do with that right there. Alright, now let's clean that up now. Alright. Wrong. Okay, get him with the lamp and see what happens. Uh-oh, he's twitching. Is he twitching? Yup, he's twitching. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, don't electrocute his foot. No. Are you kidding me? I'm so sorry, boss. I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry, boss. Didn't mean to electrocute your foot. Alright, we're gonna do one more, then I'm gonna end the video right here. Alright, let's do this one now. No, you're fired. No, okay, have him arrested then. He deserves to be arrested for what he's doing to you. Are you sure about that, man? Alright, guys, alright. Pause the game, pause the game. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right